All right, ladies and gentlemen. So 33 is target two for the 33 is target two for the Bears. All right, 33. It's only two more points below the current low. That's where it's going next. 33. Okay. All righty then. Let's go. The main play. All right. So main play. The shore here, the 55 breakout. Where target one is 45 and below, and and expecting a bounce because we know 45 is support. Remember, I told you that long time ago. Price goes from 40 all the way to 51, 52, right? 12 points that you knew long time ago at 9 a.m. when here at 9 a.m. you already knew that this was gonna happen. It's unbelievable. All right. Okay. I'm not blowing my horn. No mistake.
No,
I'm just saying it like it is. Are they not?
right.
All righty then. Okay, so let's see. So remember what I told you. It's going all the way back to 55. All right. So we're breaking structure. The broadband downtrend. We're breaking it. We try to break it at 50. Why do you think the price went from 51 all the way back to 42, 43? It's the high of the structure. Pulled, locked, 10 points like we did, right? And then it pulls back to our 45 and change, as long as it doesn't take the this low right here. By the way, it's not a swing low, it's a pivot low, so it's weak. It's not weak, it's weaker. So but it's good, so far it's strong. The reason that that the price bounced off of 40 here, it's not because 40 is strong, it's because the future is bullish. So it goes, comes right back down, finds support again, boom. And I told you 20 minutes ago, it'll go back to 55. All right? Why? Well, it's a couple of reasons. Reason number one, smart money knows that that some traders went short breakout 55, so they have to go all the way so that they can take their their last ammunition, sure, right? And reason number two is that they know they want to take it up. All right.
Bullish vaccine.
Okay. Alrighty. Okay. 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 Ese que bully one mistake.
Bully one, sí.
Okay. One, two, three, four, five. All right. So we're expecting this. All right. So we're expecting this. So we're expecting this bounce counter trend long to initially go to 50. It didn't take the base, right? And we said that it was going to continue going all the way to 55, right? All right,
Correct.
so we're pretty close to 55. And of course, right? Needless to say, okay, all right, let's go ahead and, right, price goes to 54 quarter, right? Pretty close to 55. You know that those of you who took the counter trend long, that I told you price is gonna bounce back up to 50 and 55, you know that we can get out, give or take a point, right? 1 point, 54, 56, 55. Okay. For the counter trend, okay, the main play still is bearish until I tell you that the bearish setup has been invalidated, right? Or the price totally, completely destroys 58 and 61, right? Then that setup is being invalidated, right? I don't even need to tell you. You can see it yourself. Okay, this counter trend long that we are on right now, that I told you price was gonna go to 50 and 55. What what do we want? Boom, right? We still got that,
Yeah.
55 to the tick,
55
right?
to the tick, yes.
All right, so we knew the price was gonna go to 55, right? Back to 55 when the price was what 20 minutes ago, when the price was here in this support area that I told you. Let's counter trend long 50, 55. So here, this, all right, so that's 56, right? All right, do you see any reason at all to get out? Well, yeah, depending how many units do you have long in the counter trend, such and such. Lock here 56. No, Capi, I'm not gonna log in 56, man, because the overall market direction you've been saying that is bullish, and you haven't changed hat. So I want to ride this, I want to ride this counter trend long all the way to the moon. And listen, it's not a guarantee. That's why we scale out. Get the hell out here, 5056. Lock in 1/3 of your counter trend size right here at 56. Lock in, no Lamborghinis on a day like today, okay? Not to mention, this is a counter trend, all right? This is not the main play. This loan that we took is a counter trend. It's not the main play, right? It's just that Prisatico knows. We know that the real intention of the smart money is to take it out. That's why we didn't hesitate on taking this counter trend long, right? That's all there is to it. Alrighty then. Okay. Now, Cappy, I'm gonna let the price take my trail. I'm gonna trail it. I'm gonna trail it. I'm gonna trail it. Okay? I don't have any problem with that. All right. Let's 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 go ahead and trail it, right? Alrighty then. How are we gonna trail this baby? Well, let's see. All right. Okay. Let's trail it then. Okay. There we go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. The most important piece of information that we had today is the future. It's our edge. It's we know what the smart money is up to. The phantom trend, just like yesterday. Remember yesterday? We were going long, long, long until we finally bang caught the bottom. And and are you kidding? And look, look, look at this beautiful, right? Look at that. You kidding me? We went long right here, right? 28, and the price went all the way to 52, right? On a on a on a excruciatingly, shoppingly action. All right, okay. That's because we knew the future. Okay, that's it. That's because we knew the future. And that's exactly what we're gonna do again today. That's why you didn't hesitate in counter trending low below 45, right? Okay. All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna pay attention to 66. Okay, 66 is going to be a real resistance. All right, price is gonna be looking to take 58, 61, but it's not. Uh, okay, but it's not easily going to take 66. Alrighty. Okay. Remember, okay, counter trends sometimes end up being the beginning counter trend entries, right? Which is a counter trend setup. Sometimes end up being the beginning of a new trend, right? So look at this. Look at this. Look at this bullish uptrend that we've been since we caught the bottom at 947. There's no reason for us to get out. I'm expecting a continuation to 61. 61 is going to stop it a little bit, but remember, the future, the overall market direction, it's been bullish all all uh, all
Since you opened the mic.
all session long. Exactly. Alrighty. Okay. But 66, right? 66 is gonna be the first resistance. Of course, taking 58 and 61, these are small resistances. The price is gonna chop a little bit, but they'll be taken as long as I don't change hats, right? As long as I don't change hats, they'll be taken. Which hat are you talking about, Capi? I'm talking the counter trend hat, which is bullish because it's in alignment with the future. Remember, since the open, I've been telling you that the overall market direction is bullish. All right, so here it is. Now, is it gonna go to the moon? It's okay. We'll see about that. All right. Okay. Look at this. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So you all know 58. Remember 58? The mid range price goes to 57.75. 57.75 mistake.
Yeah.
Right? It cannot take our mid range. Remember the mid range? Mid range, sure. If the price comes right here, we change hats to bearish. If the smart money bounce it, rally it, back up just to destroy the weak bears, we knew that 58 was an entry short for us, and of course 61. This is the mid range entry short for us. Right? Those of you writing things down, okay, make sure that you can see it on your chart. Right? Look at it. All right. This is all videotape and recorded, so you'll know when you rewatch it to improve learning curve that's such a case. Alrighty. Okay, so let me go ahead and take this out of here. Right. 58, right? So as long as 61 is not clean taken and a continuation to 66, the main play breakout short 55 is still the play in command. This move up from 40 all the way to 57. So in other words, these 17 points that we just made was a counter trend play because we want to take advantage of every single move. We took advantage of this one, we took advantage of this one, and we took advantage of this one. And we're still taking advantage of this one. And this one is the toughest of them all because to take advantage of this one, you need to know way before it happens that the overall market direction is bullish. And that's what gives us the confidence to not only take a shot long the low here, 40, 45, but to let it ride because we know the future. All right. All righty then. Hey, Capi, come on. What do you mean we know the future? You know what I mean. We know the odds. We've seen this a million times and we know what's going on, right? That's our edge. All righty then. Okay. So price goes to the mid range entry short, right? As a matter of fact, right? This is the mid range, right? Mid range. This is the mid range entry short. 58, right? This one right here, right? It's a breakout. It's a breakout entry short. 55, right? This one right here. Remember 55? Right? 55. Boom. This is the mid range in case that the price volatility took it all the way. It didn't, so we only the breakout was a razor sharp entry and bam took it all the way to 41. Let's call it 41, 40.75. All right. We know the counter trend is bullish. That's why we took it, and now we have to just write it and clean break of 61 invalidates this main play, right? This is the main play, right? Okay, here we go. Breakout, right? The price needs to destroy here for us not to want to be main play short anymore. As long as it doesn't happen, the main play remains bearish. Where are the resistances? Well, the first one is, of course, the mid range, right? Well, actually, the first one is the breakout itself, of course, right? But look, you know, it's gonna be, it's usually very indecisive. Look, 55, take it, dance, dance, dance. It's been dancing 55 since 10:11, right? Look at that. It's 10:23, right? 10 points dancing around 55. All right. As long as we know direction, direction is king, then we know exactly what to do. 58, the mid range, right? It's gonna stop it. Look how many times it's tried. The price has tried to take 58. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 retests of 58. Cannot take it. You know what I mean? Alrighty then. Okay, so the fight continues because remember the overall market direction, the future is bullish, but the tempo play, the short term is bearish. So these people are fighting here, all these 50, 60. Now it's gonna be a big fight. Somebody's gonna win, and we are in the meantime taking advantage of every single move. All right, and we know that we want to be bigger position with the main play and have a loose leash because the bearish play, which is the tempo, is the one in control right now. Alrighty. So you want to have a bigger size on the bearish position that we have than on this beautiful counter trend long. This is a counter trend by definition. This is a move against the main play. It's just that we know the future. If we didn't, we'll probably, God knows. Anyway, so let's go ahead and continue and let's see uh, where is this baby gonna continue going. All right, so what do we want? Those of us who are bear, those of us who were expecting trading 101, support become resistance, resistance becomes support 55, 58 mid range, right? Price is totally clinching, cannot take it. What do we want? Those of us who have a bigger size on the downside, we want this thing to go all the way down to 33. That's what we want. All right? Okay. That makes sense? All right. So, shop begun, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. So, we stay with the plan. Okay. We stay with the plan. All right. But chop began. All right. So from now on, uh, any move, we can have any spike and drop, and we don't know where it's coming from because chop began. All right. So, but anyway, so we're good so far, right? So a summary: we went long, and then made 5, 6 points, then boom, went short, counter trend long, and we are currently in this counter trend long, knowing that the main play is still bearish until this 61 right here is completely taken. It'll go to 66, 61, 66. It'll go 5 points, and then real chop will start. In the meantime, main play, we still short, right? Price cannot take our mid-range entry short, and we are expecting the price to continue going all the way down to 33. Alrighty, okay.